What if I told you your posture is silently shaping your success or sabotaging it? Every day, millions of young adults sit hunched over, unknowingly fast-tracking chronic pain, fatigue, and even poor decision-making. Yes, even your bank account can suffer when your back does. But here's the twist. Fixing it doesn't require expensive gear, surgeries, or gym memberships. In the next 20 minutes, you're going to learn how to naturally improve your posture and reduce back pain, so you can move through life stronger, sharper, and more confident than ever. Stay with me till the end. I've saved a powerful daily habit that might just change the way you carry yourself forever. The problem in emotional hook your posture is draining your power split screen, one person slouching at a desk, another standing tall and energized. Let's be real. Bad posture isn't just unattractive, it's a silent energy vampire. Studies show poor posture increases cortisol, your stress hormone, and messes with testosterone. Yes, your confidence hormone. You're literally programming your body to feel weaker, more anxious, and less focused. Remember when Grandma said, "Sit up straight"? Turns out she was your first life coach, and you ignored her for years. Now here's the scary part. Bad posture doesn't just feel bad, it leads to chronic back pain, lower productivity, and higher medical bills. The desk job dilemma. A montage of desk setups, from chaotic to ergonomic. The average American sits for over 10 hours a day. That's nearly half your life, spent in a slouch. No wonder our spines are screaming. But here's the kicker. Posture isn't just about sitting, it's about how you sit. Think of your desk like your command center. If it's off, your whole system crashes. Coming up next, I'll show you a 30-second daily move that'll reset your posture instantly. Most people have never heard of it. Phone neck is the new smoking people craning over phones, overlaid with spine stress graphics. Look, I know TikTok is addictive, but staring down at your phone for hours puts 60 pounds of pressure on your neck. That's like carrying a 7-year-old on your shoulders. All day. Unless you're training to become a human coat rack, it's time for a change. Good news? The fix is easier than you think. The confidence connection person, standing tall, walking into a job interview versus someone slouched and anxious. Posture doesn't just affect your health, it projects your future. In a world where first impressions matter, the way you stand can land you the job, the client, or the date. Harvard researchers found that power posing, yes, just standing tall, can actually rewire your brain for confidence. And confidence? It compounds, just like interest in your investment account. The 30-second shoulder reset demonstration of the wall angel stretch or shoulder blade squeeze. Here's that move I promised. Wall angels. Stand against a wall, raise your arms like goalposts, slowly move them up and down. Feel that burn between your shoulder blades? That's your posture guardian waking up. How poor posture steals your income chart of productivity versus posture quality. Yep, there's a financial cost to slouching. Low energy equals poor performance equals fewer opportunities. Your body language tells the world what you believe about yourself. Want to attract wealth? Start with your spine. Build a posture-friendly workspace. Clean desk setup, monitor at eye level, ergonomic chair. You don't need a $1,000 chair. You need alignment. Monitor at eye level, chair supporting lumbar, feet flat. Every inch adjusted is one step closer to long-term wealth because you're avoiding costly injuries and burnout. Strengthen to sustain person doing bodyweight rows, planks, or resistance band work. A strong back equals strong future. Incorporate rows, reverse flies, planks. No gym, no problem. Resistance bands and bodyweight can sculpt your posture muscles like armor. And no, you won't accidentally bulk up. That's like saying you'll trip and fall into a Lamborghini. The one posture hack you need daily alarm reminder pops up. Posture check. Set posture alarms. Every hour. Just 10 seconds of awareness can realign your spine. And next, I'll reveal the hidden mindset that makes or breaks your posture habits. For life, become the person who moves with power. Confident person entering a meeting, back straight, commanding presence. This isn't about sitting straight, it's about living straight. with intention, with strength, with presence. Your posture is the billboard of your identity. Change it, and you change your trajectory. Make it a habit, not a hack visual. Morning routine calendar, person journaling, tracking posture. Routines shape destiny. Attach posture checks to daily habits. Brushing teeth, drinking coffee, checking emails. Stack it, track it, and feel it transform your day. So now you know, posture isn't just a health thing, it's a wealth thing. Fix your posture, relieve your pain, reclaim your power,